To create a campaign, go to Administration, Campaigns, which are already listed, and click on Create New. Input a campaign ID and a campaign name. Leave the rest of the options to default values and click Submit to create the campaign. Your campaign is now created. Now from here you can configure 4 different types of campaigns: predictive, ratio, broadcast, and manual. In this tutorial we will cover setting up a ratio campaign. And this tutorial is based on the assumption that you have set up your company's access number, callback number, and caller ID numbers under the company numbers section. If you've already set those up, then you may continue with this tutorial. Now let's try and modify the campaign settings by clicking on the pencil icon. Input your company name, choose your callback number, choose your campaign caller ID. To set up an answering machine message, click on the speaker icon and choose an appropriate audio file from the audio store. If you wish to choose a custom message created using text-to-speech engine, then click the text-to-speech or TTS checkbox next to the speaker icon and choose your defined text-to-speech message from the list. To set up a music on hold file, please use the CD icon next to the field and choose an appropriate file. For this tutorial, we are not going to set up a music on hold file. Let's change the campaign recording to always on. Change the call destination local time to 9 to 5. Leave the rest of the settings under this section to be default. The next section consists of advanced campaign settings. Click on the plus icon and change the paste method to ratio. You may want to change the paste tempo to something different. If the option is locked, you may click override and choose a higher value. Choose if you would like to turn on answering machine detection. Usually everyone wants to avoid answering machines, so turn this option to on. If you would like to leave a message to these detected answering machines, then choose on for leave message. Remember, the left message will be the same message that we've configured under the basic settings, which is the answering machine message here. If you would like to display a script when the agent receives a call, choose the script from the select box. If you would like to start a survey upon receiving the call, then you need to change the call launch option to survey and choose the survey ID from the drop down. Or if you would like to open a web page or a web form from an external URL, then choose the web form option for call launch and specify the web form URL. In this case, it would be unitydialer.com/test.php. Leave the rest of the options unchanged and click Submit at the bottom. Your campaign is now configured properly. You may go to the dashboard and choose your campaign from the drop-down to look at the settings and make any changes needed from there. When you make a change, this button will turn red, indicating that you have some unsaved changes. So click on this button and update your campaign settings. Now currently your campaign is inactive. You may want to click the play icon to activate the campaign. Once the campaign is activated, it is now available for the agents to be able to log on.